Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Pikachu versus Raichu surprise fold. Now, I love drawing these Pokemon battle surprise folds, so if you have any other ideas, definitely let me know in the comments. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with our Pikachu versus Raichu surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Then I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin over here with Pikachu. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come up and it's going to go in. Now I'm going to bring this line up to here with a curve. For the ear, I'm going to bring this line up here towards the corner and then kind of bring it back with that like rounded, almost oval shape. And then I'll do another one here. I'm going to bring this up to a point and then kind of bring it back down. We'll put a little curve here and a little curve here for some detail. I'm going to bring this line down to here. And then I'm going to curve this line right to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line out and then kind of curve it to here for Pikachu's arm. I'll bring this line down a little bit, and then I'm going to bring this line around. And then I'm going to make just a couple little bumps on here for his fingers. Then I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line down, kind of over the arm, and then down to here. I'm going to make a little line here and a little line here for the tail. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes out and in. I'm just going to color it in for Pikachu's nose. And then right here, I'm going to make a diagonal line. And then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of go down and then up here. Make another little one here. And then we can just go ahead and color this part in for Pikachu's eye. We'll just kind of color this area in, leaving that a little bit white. Then, starting here, I'm just going to make a little bit of a curve for Pikachu's cheek. And I know we don't see all of it, but that's because we need part of that for the drawing. Now, over here, let's go ahead and make Raichu. So, to start off with Raichu, we're going to kind of do the same thing. Just kind of go up and then in for the nose. Then I'm going to curl this up to here. For this ear, I'm going to start here and I'm going to bring it all the way to the point. Then I'm going to bring this one down and then just kind of curl it around to here. Then I'm going to start here and I'm going to bring this back and kind of connect. I'm going to bring this line down to here. And then I'm just going to curve this line down. And then I'm going to curve this line into here. We'll bring this line down. And I'm going to bring this line around. Kind of curve it around and up to here. It'll make kind of a wavy, wiggly line. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to curve 2 lines over here for the tail. Now for the nose, just like Pikachu's, we're going to make a little line that we'll color in. We're going to make a diagonal line down here. And then we're just going to make kind of like that half circle shape. I'm going to put this one little curve up here, and then we're just going to kind of color in the rest of it. And then we'll do that same thing like what we did with Pikachu's cheek. We're just going to put that half circle there. Then I also want to put that other ear up here. So I'm going to make that line kind of curve up to a point, bring it back, and then we'll just bring it down here. And then I'm also going to draw this curved line on here since the belly of Raichu is a different color. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now let's start over here with Pikachu. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to bring this line down a little bit. And then I'm just going to curve this up to here. Now I'm going to make a little line. And then I'm just going to bring this line down to here. We're going to curve it and then connect. Then, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. And then I'm going to make some like zigzag electric looking lines like this. And then I'll make some more kind of coming out here. And we'll just kind of add lots of little zigzag lines here. And then I'm just going to bring this back into the mouth. And I know his electricity comes from his cheeks. We're just kind of adding this detail. And I'll put some electricity on here too. Then right here, I'm going to add a curved line for a tongue. And then we're going to bring this down. And then we'll make another line that's going to come down here. Then I want to connect this line here. Then starting here, I'm just going to connect this little circle for the cheek. Next, over here on Raichu, we're going to do the same thing. Just going to kind of curve this down and up. Put a little line here. We're going to bring this line down and then connect it to here. We'll put a little curve for the tongue. And then we're going to draw a line down. Now I'm going to make this lightning look a little bit different, so I'm going to make these zigzag lines here and then these zigzag lines here. Then I'm going to make these big kind of pointed zigzag shapes right in the middle here, just so it looks like both electricities are kind of hitting each other. Then I'm going to continue this line here. And we'll just do that same thing, line and line. Then we're just going to connect Raichu here. And then we're just going to make that little curve for his cheek. And there you go. There's your drawing of a Raichu versus Pikachu surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have both Pokemon staring each other down, and then when we open it, they're both shooting their electric blasts at each other. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.